Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Gordon Ramsay frittata using an easy method. This versatile dish is perfect for any meal, from breakfast to dinner. You will need just a few simple ingredients, starting with 6 to 8 fresh eggs. We will also use a splash of milk or cream, and your choice of flavorful fillings. Get ready to create a truly impressive meal with minimal effort. First, crack 6 to 8 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them thoroughly with about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. Season this mixture with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, in an oven-safe, non-stick pan, sauté your pre-cooked fillings over medium heat. Make sure your chosen ingredients, like vegetables or meats, are tender and evenly spread across the bottom of the pan, ready for the egg mixture. Once your fillings are ready, pour the whisked egg mixture evenly over them in the hot pan. Let it cook on the stovetop over medium heat for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You will see the edges begin to set. This initial stovetop cooking helps create a nice base. Then, carefully transfer the entire pan to a preheated oven to complete the cooking process, ensuring a fluffy and perfectly set frittata. Bake your frittata in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 minutes, or until it is beautifully golden brown and completely set in the center. A slight jiggle should indicate it's firm. Once cooked, remove the pan from the oven and let the frittata rest for a few minutes. This allows it to firm up further before you slice and serve this delightful, easy-to-make dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.